Okay, so Mary Jane and I were talking about using our iPhones to scan documents and put them into Google Drive so that we can then access them on our classroom, Google Classroom pages. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and on your phone and you're going to look up Google Drive and it'll show up and I didn't have to pay for the version that I downloaded. I know you can buy like bigger packages. Not sure what all that means. It may be just more storage space within your Google Drive. I'm sure that's what it is, like more kind of like cloud space. But anyway, the one that I downloaded tonight was free. So I downloaded that app and it'll look like a triangle. It's got a few different colors, just like it does on your computer. Anyway, it's like a green, blue, and yellow triangle. Anyway, once you've downloaded that, then what you're going to do is go into your phone and you're going to go into notes. Okay, looks like this. And you want a new note. So down there at the bottom, you're going to click that new note icon right here. And then what you've got is you've got those little icons at the bottom, or kind of here in the middle, I should say. And you're going to choose the one that looks like a camera, okay? And then it's going to give you a list of options, and I want to scan a document. Okay, so I've got a sample textbook that I don't use, and I'm going to scan a random page. Okay, this poem by John Keats. Whoa, and it did something really funky there. Okay, you can see it did that, but I'm going to adjust it so it looks better. Okay, now it's like that. And then I'm going to put keep scan. That's down there at the bottom. And now it looks, well, it does look much better. You just can't see it at the moment. All right, and then it gives you the option to save. Click save. And then at the top it says done. So I'm going to click done. And then at the top right hand corner, it's got a little send icon, a square with an arrow. Click that. And since I downloaded the Google Drive app, it is in my options, because before when I tried this it was not. And you can see, I don't know how well you're able to see it with the lighting in here, but it's this one right here. Okay, it's got a triangle, it says drive under it. That's what I'm going to choose. And it takes a second. I'm impatient. I'm like, it's not working. It takes a second. Okay, I have 4 different accounts on my phone. I'm going to go with the one that has my school email, L. Floyd. And then when it shows up, it's going to look like this. And it gave it its own title based on the first words of the poem. Down there at the bottom, there's one that says select folder. I'm going to click on that. And then it says my drive up there, and I'm going to click on that. Then it's going to take me to some other folders. You may not have all these folders yet, but you will eventually. I'm going to go to the one that says my classroom, or classroom. And then I have another file for my English 4 class, first hour. I want to click on that one because that's where I'm going to end up using this. Then at the bottom, it's going to say save here. Okay. And then the final thing is up there at the top, says upload. Click that. And it'll show it uploading. Like it'll show like a bar showing it uploading it. And there it is. There it is. Okay. It is now in my Google Drive. So when I go here through my regular apps, just your regular screen, there toward the end, because it's the last thing I added, is my drive. And if I refresh this, There it is, the very top of the list. Let's see here. You can see it. Okay, and if I click on that, it'll be a PDF and it'll be uploaded. And so now all I have to do is when I go to my Google Classroom page and I go to that English 4 class, I can create an assignment or just add material, whatever you want to do. I can create an assignment, and then I can, when I go to attach, it's the not the triangle, but the little paper clip symbol. I can click on that, and whenever you go to attach, when you go to your Google Drive, it should be the first thing that you see listed. Now, if you had scanned 15 documents, then you might have to kind of dig. And that's when you might sometimes have to remember those files. Go to your classroom, go to your English 4 and look in there, or whatever yours is called. Okay, so that's how I scanned documents using my phone, put them in Google Drive, and was able to access them for my classroom.